Alright guys, today's the big day. I'm so hyped, I'm so pumped, super ready. Today, we're installing coilovers. Yes! We're gonna go to Rob's house right now to install these coilovers, but first, let's get a cold start. Damn boy, look at these wheels right here. Oh my god. So we're gonna get rid of this gap today. That's gonna look so sick and so aggressive. So I'm happy to do that. Just look at it. That we're finally gonna have a legit suspension, a lowered aggressive look. It's just gonna be so sweet today. So for anybody that's interested, I got the Nismo V2s, a set of 4 that I'm selling now that I have the Ray V1s. We're selling these. So they're on Michelin, Pilot Sport 4S's, really good tires, super sexy wheels. They're gunmetal with silver, really clean. If anybody's looking for a set, holla at your boy.
Yo.
Hey dad, I'm outside.
For sure.
Yep. This man is sending me down a sketchy road. Some sketchy ass road over here.
Sketchy ass road, bro.
What's good, dude?
You're gonna fucking scrape when you come back down when we slam this shit.
Where?
Right here.
This man is destroyed over here. What were you playing last night? Need for Speed Heat?
No, dude, I was fucking.
Fortnite? What? COD?
2K.
2K? What's good, dude? Oh. Yeah, it's actually a nice neighborhood right now. It's chilling.
It's chilling. I mean, literally,
cool.
if you go down that way
Yeah?
and you jump over the train tracks, you're literally in Aventura already.
Yeah, it said North Miami Beach. I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Nah, the way you made it sound, I was like, yo, man, you live in the hood. It's just chill. We're tight on this side. Oh, shit, no. Your mom's gonna kill me. I ran over her. So for everybody that doesn't know, this is my boy Rob. He drives a Miata and a Tundra. I'm not supposed to tell him what we're gonna do to the Tundra, but yeah, man, we're gonna do coilovers today.
You ready to do this shit?
Let's do this, man.
Mama. You gotta film the gap, bro.
The gap? Bro, this gap is serious, dude.
You gotta like remove
Oh, you got a 2-finger gap right this.
This one?
This one got a whole foot in it.
Like this
Three?
one? Three finger? Yeah, it's a 3-finger gap.
Yeah, but like that's like 4 of mine. Look at this sexy ass Miata right here. Oh. So we're gonna make this thing slam today. It's gonna be like, bam.
The rim?
Uh-huh.
To the fender.
From the gap of the rim?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, the gap. Uh-huh.
To the fender. That's how I measure my shit. And it's 4.51 inches.
Yo, we've been trying to do this project for like, I don't know how many months now. I never had a weekend off with fucking work and all this shit, so I never got to fucking do it. And then the last time we were about to start doing the project with Rob, what got in our way? Oh, the fuel pump, or no, the fuel regulator on this car gave out, so we weren't able to do that day, but we're finally doing it today. So let's check out these coilovers and see what we got. Look how sexy these things are. Damn, look at that color, guys. Oh my god, look at this shit. So the nice things about these is that they got the upgraded Swift springs. Super dope. Bro, look at that color, like that fucking like anodized green or whatever the fuck.
It's pretty.
It's just sexy.
What I like about what is it, Fortunato?
Fortunato, dude.
Yeah, they're all handmade coilovers.
Yeah.
Let's see if the money's worth.
Let's see if it's worth it, right? I got them on Black Friday for a fucking steal.
Lucky you, I got Megan coilovers like a broke ass boy.
So you're getting convinced? You're thinking about it, you're like, damn. But a 370 or 350?
Aziz Z, bro.
Aziz a Z, but they're not the same.
I don't have 30
Two
grand
different
like you do,
animals.
you know, to spend.
Nah, but you don't have to spend 30 grand. You could get a base model for fucking,
you know, for
15,
the
10.
wide, yeah, actually for the wide body, I go with the 70.
freaking cheater.
How am I a cheater? I just, bro.
Dude, you're like the size of Donkey Kong and I'm Diddy Kong.
Bro, I just went.
That shit came out. Dude, those things are wide, man, for a front.
Like, what are the specs on that?
These are 285s. That shit fat, boy.
I can't even fit that on my car.
Wait.
This can probably fit on the rear.
On the rear?
19 by 9.5. I have to camber it by 3 degrees.
I'm telling you, it would be tight, dude. I don't know.
And
if
I
you...
gotta roll the fence. Nah, fuck that.
I don't know about that. This guy wanted to put the V2s on his Miata just to mock them up, see what they would look like. What do you guys think? Do it, let's do it. This car is so much easier compared to like the Miata and other cars. The beauty of this is that you take out this bracket, this bolt, these brake lines and this and that, and this whole strut tower comes out like nothing. So you take off this little, oh shit, I lost it. Oh, it fell right in the hole, dude. Oh. I guess I'm not gonna be talking about that boat. Alright, so we got a little 12 mil right here for the brake line that comes off. When we come over here, we take off this off the strut tower. These pop out. Our brackets out, our 19 mil here, that's out. Then we got 3 up top inside the engine bay. What? What the hell you did to me? You broke the hood.
Wow, holy shit.
Says light, bro.
Oh my god.
Yo, I try to get these 12s, and this piping's so hot from the turbos. Jesus Christ. Oh, I forgot about the strut bar up top. We gotta get this off.
Oh, they don't do anything.
Bro, these bees, they're just chilling. Look how big they are. They've been eating something around here. What you been feeding them, dude? What you been feeding these bees?
You know they're endangered from steroids?
No, I'm in danger. Damn, that thing comes out like nothing. Rob versus B. Let's go. What's up?
Dramatic music.
Dude, this bee's huge. Oh my god. You want more? You gonna splack him? I don't even know if that's a bee or not, man. To be honest. Before Rob was like, nah, man, don't worry about it. Leave him alone. He's not doing anything. Now look at him. He's bullying us. We're getting bullied by a 2-inch bee. Alright, so the current situation, everything's off except for this side, the passenger side. Since we got this piping for the intercooler, it's like right underneath of it, so it's kind of annoying to get to. We got it. Oh shit. Yeah. So we got the first one out. This dirty Nissan crap.
All non-essential travel within the city of Miami, including by automobile, public transit, motorcycle, etc., is prohibited until further notice.
So technically we're not allowed to do car projects, boy, but we're gonna do them. We're breaking the law today, alright? This is considered work.
Technically, this is a house job.
It is a house job. It is a house call. We got the old ones out.
A DS stands for dick sucking.
Dick sucking, yes. That's what the DS. And PS is for penis sucking. It's
So,
2 different things, alright?
Passenger side.
Yep.
Driver side.
I marked it.
I'm
I'm like 90% sure. I think it's because of the bracket, maybe. I don't know why. So this is the Gen 7 coilover from Fortune Auto, and this one's a little bit different than the Gen 6 because usually you have
lock collars.
You got 2 lock collars, and then you go in opposite directions, right? But this one has an Allen key, which is kind of cool. Made it a lot easier.
2.9.
Which one's this one? This is the driver?
Supposedly this is the driver's side.
Yeah. So I touched one of these. It's this one. I messed with it. I checked the prelude. I was about to say fucking prelude. Prelude.
Bro, go fix your Honda, dude.
Yo, Honda problems. The preload. The prelude on the pre. Oh my god, I can't talk to this. Yeah. I'm so done, dude. Alright guys, so we ran into a couple complications with this freaking pipe right here. This piping for the intercooler. We took it off, and then to put it on was fucking a pita. That shit sucked. Whatever. Everything's tight, everything's on, the strut bar's on.
Word of the wise.
Yo.
Don't buy a boosted car.
Don't buy a boosted car. You heard it from this man right here. Don't ever buy a boosted car.
Don't buy a boosted car.
Yo, what a pain in the ass. But yo, we got it done. We got the fronts done. The rear should be way easier, right? Look at this man on his phone.
Yeah? I can multitask.
Yeah?
Yeah.
2 plus 2.
4.
6 times 6.
36.
48 times 48.
Fuck you.
We spent quite a amount of time so far with adjusting and everything, and we're about to quit. Nah. But yeah, that took some time to adjust. We're finally on the back. It's a lot easier. All you got is 1 bolt here, 2 bolts up top that are 12 mils, a 7mm that holds the bucket right here, and a little bucket.
What was this shit for?
What was that? That's a hat.
A happy hat?
Yeah, you wear that on Fridays at the bar.
But we're quarantined though.
Huh?
We're quarantined though.
We're in quarantine?
Yeah, dude.
At your home bar. Oh, take that shit out. Take all that shit out.
Oh, I'm supposed to do it all up.
Yeah. And then we close up the bucket.
What'd I tell you?
Perfect?
What'd I fucking tell you?
How's that look? Damn.
Yo, what'd I tell you? I told you I bought that bitch.
Yeah, dude. Dude, that looks good, man. What? That's pretty fucking cool. That's slow, man.
Now the problem is, can you get out of that?
Yeah.
If you
Can I get out of this?
It looks so much better.
It looks way more better.
You got that ugly monster truck guy.
No monster truck, but I got this camber look now. I need spacers, man. Look at this. Like, look how much tucked that is. That's pretty tucked. I think I need spacers.
Right.
eBay.
Hashtag Javi.
eBay. eBay everything. We gonna eBay the whole car. What do you guys think?
You gotta put a sticker in the back that says genuine eBay parts.
Genuine eBay parts right here, like right over the quarter panel.
eBay performance.
eBay performance? Yo, that's sick, dude. I like that.
Get some spacers, pussy.
One favor. Are you memeing, bro? Are you memeing me, bro?
Nah. The meme would be the one where SpongeBob, where he goes,
Which one?
"Oh, brother, this guy stinks." Yeah.
When he's performing?
Yeah.
What are they, vegetables or fruit? And what does that make? Ketchup.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Nah, we gotta do the Kevin one that we did the other day. Hi, Kevin.
Oh my god.
Hi, Kevin.
Hi, what is your question?
Hi, Kevin.
Is there another question from a guy in the back?
All right, you, way in the back.
Hi, Kevin.
Yeah, the breathing.
Hi, Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. I'm your biggest fan.
Yeah, we're fucking fools, man. It's nighttime. We finally did it, guys. Big shout out to Rob, my boy. I'm gonna link his Instagram down below. Go check him out. Big shout out to him, man. If it wasn't for him, man, we'd be fucking stuck. Yo, but the Z's finally low. What? Maybe tomorrow we'll go hit up Firestone and go get an alignment done. We'll probably play with the dampening and all that stuff. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe. You know what it is. Peace.